Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing swatches on the new Morphe collaboration with Bretman Rock, the Babe in Paradise highlighter palette. So this palette is available now and it retails for $29. It includes 6 highlighters and a fan brush. Affiliate codes do apply, so you could use my discount code, which is makeup, to save 10% off. I thought this palette was limited edition, but it doesn't state it anywhere, so I'm guessing it's going to be added to their permanent line. The packaging of this palette is a cardboard palette with magnetic closure, and it does not include a mirror. The design of this palette is just beautiful. It has like a tropical vibe to it, and I love that Morphe is being more creative with their packaging. I also do like these cardboard palettes over the black packaging. So in the palette you get 6 shades. The first shade is a pearlescent pink, the second shade is an ice champagne, and the third is a gilded gold. In the second row you get a peachy pink, the second one is a soft rose, and the last one is a golden copper. Morphe claims that this is their new high-impact highlighter formula. I did notice that I like this formula over their previous highlighter palette. I feel that this formula is more pigmented and more creamier. So let me know what you guys think about this palette. Are you guys planning on getting it? And I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.